After traveling for some days in the area of Galilee, Jesus comes back to his home base in Capernaum. He's preaching and teaching in Peter's home where the crowds gather. Word travels pretty fast that Jesus is back, and everyone comes to see and hear Jesus as he teaches and heals the sick. The crowds are so thick that some friends of a paralyzed man can't get through. You can hear the rest of the story in today's lesson, number 9, Jesus Heals a Paralytic. This lesson may be found at BibleCraftsForKids.com, and with this printable download is the Create a Page papercraft. Let me show you how to create this papercraft activity into kits for your students. I will also show you how to assemble them so you can teach your students. So let's get started. You will need a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, which we will cut into a 6 by 6. If you have leftovers from another activity, you may use that. The download also comes with the lesson, the printable instructions, and the labels. The only additional thing you will need is some adhesive of some sort. So let's start by cutting our 12 by 12 page into a 6 by 6 square. Next, let's look at our labels. The only adhesive that is going to go on the labels is 3 sides of the bottom of the house and 1 side of the top, the label, and the series label. The rest of the labels do not have adhesive. So let's cut our labels out. When we come to this part of the labels, we're going to cut the bottom of the house, the center of the house, and then we will cut the labels separately. After we get our labels cut, we're going to take the roof of the house and we're going to score it on that dotted line. We're also going to put adhesive on the back side where the scoring ends, or where the scoring begins, depends on how you look at it. Anyway, right from the edge, we're going to put our adhesive. We're also going to put adhesive on our number 9 little triangle. And on our series label. Oh, no, I'm sorry, not your series label, the title of the lesson label. And we're also going to put adhesive on the outside edges of our house. And we're going to do this on 3 sides, both sides and the bottom. We're going to leave the top open because that creates a little pocket for our cards. And that completes our kit. So now let's assemble our kit. We want to start with the bottom of the house. Now we want to place our little house right along the bottom, approximately a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. We want to make sure that we leave room for the roof. We're going to take our tape off of our roof, and we're going to place our roof right at the center line, and we're going to glue that fold edge down, and that gives us a flap for holding our cards in. Next, we're going to take our series label and we're going to place it on the right side of the dotted line. Our lesson title label is right under that. Now we take our little cards. We have our Bible passages, our main characters, our key verse, our words to live by, and of course you can throw your memory verse card in there. They all fit in the little pocket we have made. And that is the number 9, Jesus heals a paralytic. Next, we will do number 10. And it's a simple, easy craft to do. It requires nothing but a hand and a magic marker or a pencil. So join us for number 10, and thank you for joining me today for number 9.